Struggling to write headlines that actually capture attention? Many beginners spend hours staring at a blank page. Headlines can make or break your marketing, but AI can help you brainstorm dozens in minutes. Here is the prompt I used. Feel free to pause the video and copy it if you want. In moments, ChatGPT produces a wide variety of headlines you can test or tweak to fit your style. This takes what used to take hours and condenses it into just a few minutes. But generating headlines is only the start. The AI Business Builder Challenge teaches you how to turn these ideas into full copy that resonates with your audience and drives results, all in 5 beginner-friendly episodes. Plus, you get bonuses like the AI strategy call to review your content and the $136 million business plan to see how high converting campaigns are structured. Stop wasting time struggling with headlines. Use AI to generate dozens fast. The AI Business Builder Challenge guides you from ideas to copy that converts. And it's just $17 to get started. Check the description to join now.